Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Growlush hydraulic cable crimping tool. There are features include true 12 AWG to 4/0 AWG crimping range. This hydraulic crimper is engineered for demanding electrical and battery cable needs. Supporting a comprehensive range from 12 AWG to 4/0 AWG. It is the preferred solution for high current applications, including RV power systems, solar array installations, marine electrical maintenance, and automotive battery swaps. 11 US standard hex dies. The kit comes equipped with 11 precision-engineered US standard hex dies, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 1, 1/0, 2/0, 3/0, and 4/0. Versatile application. The 10 AWG die is perfectly sized for swagging 1/8 inch stainless steel wire rope in cable railing projects. 10-ton hydraulic force. Delivers a rated crimping force of 80 kN, maximum 100 kN. The 1/2 inch or 12.5 mm stroke and smooth action hydraulic system significantly reduce manual effort, allowing you to seamlessly secure heavy-duty copper and aluminum lugs without hand fatigue. 4/0 crimping tool. Featuring upgraded magnetic die holders, the dies stay firmly aligned and centered during high-pressure cycles. Our precision-machined profiles ensure terminals are fully encased, eliminating material flashing or uneven flattening, resulting in a neat, high conductivity and professional-grade electrical connection. Ergonomic operation and organized storage. Designed with non-slip, comfort molded handles and a quick reset pressure relief valve for efficient cycling. The complete set is housed in a high-impact, organized carrying case with dedicated slots to safeguard your dies from mechanical wear and ensure they are site-ready for every job. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.